Hi, my name is Mirabel Elume, and let's do the workout for beginners. These are 3 pounds weight each, so that's what we are going to work out with. We're getting on the mini stepper where we vacuum our stomach, hold that stomach in. That's the first thing. Make sure your stomach is in while you're stepping, and then you start giving your heartbeat racing. You want to follow some rhythm of your heart racing while you're stepping. So just give yourself that rhythm and keep moving on the stepper. Keep going until you feel that heart race and then you start feeling like you're sweating. So you get engaged in your workout. Mind you, you're a beginner. You want to feel an upright stand on the stepper. You want to feel your heels all the way down. You want to feel your weight all the way down on your heels, not on your knees. You're not blocking your weight on your knees because you know you do not want to have some pain on your knees. So you got to put your weight all the way down to your heels, not on your knees. And keep working. Have that upright posture and give yourself that movement. Keep moving. Mind you, you're the one moving your body when you're on the stepper. It's not the stepper moving you, it's your body moving. This is manual. So you do most of the work. You get your body moving, you get that movement in. You still have your 3 pounds weight in your hands. You want to get this workout in. And that's how you're going to get your upper body or your arms, your chest, your back in the same workout. So you get your arms in, you get that torso area upright, you get your arms all moving. Mind you, the intent is to move or to link as many multiple groups, is to link multiple muscle groups as possible when you're stepping. So get your arms in and still keep your waistline working. Because hey, who doesn't want that snatch waistline? Or who doesn't want that flat tummy? So you hold it in, you vacuum it while you're stepping, and you keep going. Watch how that waistline gets smaller. Watch how that waistline gets, your stomach gets flat, and you head that workout in. Oh, it's already getting there. You want to feel it. You want to feel it in all the muscles when you're moving. Just place your feet in the middle of the stepper and make sure it doesn't hit the lower panel when you're stepping. And just feel the flow. Follow the rhythm and feel the flow of it. Create that rhythm that you can follow and keep stepping. You know, you can even do this while you're watching TV. And this is a lot of fun. Get it, get it, get it. Just have a rhythm that you're following. Make sure that the rhythm goes with the stepper and you keep moving your body. Change the moves as often as you can to ease the muscles that you've been putting a lot of pressure on. So get upright, step on your tippy toes, act as if you're jogging. You're still on the stepper, you're getting more pressure on your feet, and you're stepping. Oh, that waistline. Oh, who doesn't want that? You want to get that waistline, keep going, which is more about what you want. If that's where your targeted area is, make sure you vacuum it, suck it in, hold your stomach in, breathe in, however you choose to define it, and make sure that you keep engaging it in the workout. Ooh, it gets better with time. It gets even easier with time. Just don't restrict yourself or don't hold yourself from pushing yourself to some limit. Hey, feel that. Feel all of those muscles engage. Feel that multiple muscle groups engage in one workout. That's what you want to get. That's how you want to feel by the end of the time, by the time you get to the end of the workout. So you want to engage as many muscle groups as possible. You keep going. You want to engage your arms. Make sure your arms are in good position. And then you keep jogging. You're acting as if you're jogging, but you're still on the stepper. You want to get your arms up. You want to get them up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and up and down, up and down, up and down. You want to tippy toe the work. You want to work on your tippy toe. Whew. I know it burns, but you've got to keep going in order to get that workout in. You've got to keep going in order to get those muscles engaged in the workout. You've got to keep going to feel the burn, feel the muscles, feel the burn, feel the workout. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to gain. At the end of your workout, you want to feel your entire body engaged in a full body workout. That's what will be feel more satisfying, that you've had a full body workout. Don't forget to hydrate as often as you can. Don't forget to take breaks if you have to, but make sure you continue to give in and put in the time as much as you can and keep stepping. Get those muscles engaged. Get your muscles, your upper body engaged. Oh, that waistline, that waistline. You want to involve that waistline. You want to get it engaged and get that workout in. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. Then you want to do a tippy toe work just to ease the muscles. You know, you just want the muscles to ease out and feel better. You want to work it out. Give it a, just a walk that feels good. But at the same time, you're working your legs. You're still working your tarsal area, your midsection, your stomach, your back, your arms are all engaged in the workout. Mind you, you're not leaving out any part of your body. If the glutes are your main preference, you still can get that in and still keep working. But this is more about the waistline. And for beginners, you want to have very light dumbbells and you want to be able to move your body very freely so you don't feel any restrictions. So you can build up to a state where you can use heavier dumbbells, but start up with lighter dumbbells, build the muscles, build the strength, and then watch it grow. Watch it grow. Watch it grow. Just stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive. Be the best versions of yourself. God bless you.